This is the Amazon rainforest ecosystem of Reino Selva. More than 10,000 liters in one whole ecosystem of the Amazonian jungle. Building this hasn't been easy at all, but today I will show you all the process since the beginning. A small hint about what is going on here. We started yesterday putting the soil inside the Amazon Rainforest Terrarium, and I wanted to explain what I thought would be great to replicate here, which is going to be a technical soil. Ancient tribes in the ancient Amazon produced certain types of soil to grow their crops. So they used ash, coconut fiber, sand also, and different types of soils to compact them and then use them to grow their own crop. So that's what we did here today. We mixed a lot of soils and components to make one of the richest soils we can get in the Amazon. This terrarium is 100% Amazon. Even the plants are from that specific area that I'm gonna explain to you in this episode. So I'm gonna present you the ecosystem that we have been building for the last 8 months. It's nearly done. We had a great time. It's been a lot of work. Still lots of things to go and to do, but we're nearly there and we're very happy because this is amazing. This is amazing. Like, I just didn't expect it to work like this. Yeah, I did this enclosure for a caiman lizard. I didn't tell you. I explained it in my Spanish channel. I will post some constructors from the beginning until now in the English channel, but I just explained it in the Spanish one. So if you want to have a look, there was some there also. I just couldn't imagine this will be happening. I'm just trying to accept that this project is nearly done. The caiman lizard is gonna be here in a few weeks time. I just need some time for the plants to just start growing a bit. I'm in shock. Like, I'm in shock. We just need to repair a few things, that a few details, that everything has to be perfect and in play. I'm gonna speak about all the installations, electricity and systems that will be working inside here. You can see some of them. Most of them are already programmed, but it's gonna get better. It's gonna get way better. It's gonna get way better, and it's gonna involve programming. So I'll explain this to you. These are gonna be the first living creatures of the Amazon vivarium. So isopods. Springtails. Here we go. For this soil, we also use worm humus. I'm using different kinds of soils like Keto Kushi, which comes from Japan. I'm just painting these cork with it. These pieces of cord are gonna be painted with a bit, because this is gonna make the plants grow crazy. It took us so many hours. It's been an adventure.
During millions of years, nature perfected systems capable of sustaining life in balance. Every stone, every root, and every current are part of an invisible mechanism that keeps the forest alive. We only try to learn from that order, to understand it, to honor it, because nature is not something to be owned, it is something to be respected. And in Reino Selva, the respect takes a very concrete form. Here, the jungle is built.